Also, I know I didn't tell y'all, but if you ever get one of these fuel caps and all that, you've got to take the, because they don't come with a washer. I mean, not a washer, but a gasket. So you got to take the ones out of here and put on this one so you can make sure it seals up good. Mine was a little old and dry rotted, but I took some like gasket sealer and maker and all that and poured a little bit around the edge before I sat in here, so it's on there real good now, so it shouldn't leak at all into the tank. So that's good and snug on there. Looks clean, a lot better than this chipped up one right here. So alright, we've done the sound test here in the shop. If I was going to give my opinion on, like, if you're buying it for just sound comparison and all that, idling and everything, it doesn't really sound any different. It definitely did sound like there was more sound coming out the back, so it definitely sounded like it was flowing a lot better. So changing the pipe to a different pipe would make it sound definitely way better and give it more of that two-stroke dirt back kind of popping sound and all that. But that wasn't really what I was going for. Main reason I've done this is because obviously I ruptured that, so keep from messing up his as well, I went ahead and just spent the money on getting this. So definitely super clean setup, not difficult at all to install. Like I said earlier, that doing the knot there and the knot there, it definitely helped out a lot as far as making this in here very secure, so it's not going to move around any. And maybe the fact that it's a lot lighter helps too. Probably not enough to make a huge difference, but lighter is always better on the water. So but yeah, we'll give it a few runs up and down the lake and all that, see how it is. It's actually getting pretty cold now around here, so it's I think it was like 50 something degrees this morning when I woke up. But here we go, gonna do a little test ride on the new exhaust. Try to keep from getting completely soaked. Whew. Got the new blowsion gas cap up there, testing that out. Oh yeah, you can definitely hear this a little different. Woo, she's louder. Yeah, baby. Hope y'all enjoyed it, and I hope it helped y'all with any of your questions on that. Like I said, the sound wasn't really much different, so if you got a stock pipe and everything, this is not really going to make a huge difference. It is the baffled one, so I guess I could have got the non-baffled one, have a whole lot louder, but that wasn't what I was going for. So that's my install and opinion on this and sound test. So hope y'all enjoyed it, and we'll see y'all on the next video. You're next.